Ariana Grande, one of the pop music's biggest star in the world and an actress, has been valued. Ariana since making herself known to the world through Nickelodeon television series Victorious. She has turned out to be one of the most successful independent female artists in a struggling short period. With more than 180 million followers on Instagram, which has landed her as the second most followed person on Instagram, more than 20 million YouTube subscribers, and over 60 million Twitter followers. She has become one of the most popular celebrities on the social network. With such a huggy following just joined in a short period, one can wonder how Ariana Grande's net worth has been amassed in such a short time. Early life. The daughter of John Grande and Edward Butera was born in 1993 in the state of Florida. She has an Italian descent and she was got an older brother who is also in the entertainment industry, Frankie Grande. Her parents separated was she was just 9 years and she was brought up by her mother. She went to school at Pinecrest School and later joined North Broad Property School. While at the school, she left to pursue a career in acting through. She continued with the home study. Personal life. As of today, Ariana Grande has dated several people, among them Jay Brooks, Nathan Sachs, Big Sean, Ricky Alvarez, and currently Mac Miller. Age, height and weight. Being born to 26 June 1993, Ariana Grande is 28 years old as of today's date, 5th October 2021. Her height is 1.53 m tall and her weight is 47 kg in kilograms. Career. Grande's career in acting started way back at the age of 8 when she used to perform in children's theatres, and at the age of 13 she was given a role in musical 13. Ariana's professional career breakthrough came when she was cast in Nickelodeon television show Victorious, where she played Cat Valentine. During her time she became a teen idol, as the show had more than 6 million viewers. She also featured in Sam and Cat and iCarly. The acting was not the thing Ariana was more passionate about, and the music was the real thing she always wanted to do. Her very first single was Put Your Hands Up, released in 2011. Although she later disowned, her very first album was Yours Truly, which she released in 2013. The album debuted at a position 1 in Billboard 200. Some of the songs in the album are The Way, Baby I, Right There, among others. Award and achievements. Considering her 3 albums have been certified platinum, Ariana Grande must have some trophies in her cabinet. The total number of accolades she has won is 59 and she has also received 184 nominations. Some of the awards she has won are 3 American Music Awards, 2 I Hate Radio Music Awards, 6 Japan Gold Disc Awards, 3 Nickelodeon Kids Choice Awards, 6 Radio Disney Music Awards, 10 Choice Awards among others. Net worth and salary of Ariana Grande in 2021. As of October 2021, Ariana Grande's net worth has been estimated to be $120 million. She has earned her net worth fortune through acting and music career. She used to earn $9,000 per episode in series Victorious from YouTube and Spotify. The two streaming sites, they have earned her a portion of her net worth amounting to $10 million. Endorsements and sponsorship have also earned her a big chunk of her net worth, considering she is a social media personality. Ariana Grande's net worth has been a result of hard work and exposing her talent to the fullest. She has earned her place among the top musicians in the world. Considering her album platinum certification, she is one of the most promising young talent. We are looking forward to seeing more from her.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands,